everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another wig review. Now today's wig is a human hair wig. As you guys can see, it is a short bob about shoulder length. This wig came from SNOWHAIR on Amazon, so I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description box so you guys can check out the company. But this is a middle part wig. I will definitely get into more details about the wig later on in the video, but if you are familiar with my wig reviews, I show you guys the construction of the wig, tell you guys a little bit more information about the wig and the company, and then I let you guys know my final thoughts about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
The previous clip I showed you guys the construction of the wig. This wig has 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and of course it has an adjustable strap. Now you guys also saw that it has a lace closure, not a lace front but a lace closure that was right here, and this wig is a middle part only, I believe. So I did put a little heat to the wig to straighten it out a little bit, not too much because I'm actually pretty lazy today. But I put a little heat to it, just a tad bit, and I also have put a little hair wax back here to lay it down a little bit. So this is how the wig is looking. I don't know what's up with this strand right here. So this is how the wig looks. So this is from the front. This is from this side, the back, and this side. So let's go ahead and get into more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from SNOWHAIR. This is a short bob wig, 12 inches. It is a 4x4 lace closure, and the density is about 130%. So it retails for about $43.99. 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. Average cap size 22.5 inches. Circumference size medium brown lace color, 4x4 Swiss lace. No shedding, no tangle, can be restyled, curled, and permed as your own hair. So anything else that I have left out, I will definitely put in the description box below. Once again, you can put heat to this hair, but it can't exceed more than 150 degrees Celsius. Now, y'all know, like, I like, well, some of y'all might know, especially if you know me personally, I like me a nice bob wig. Like, I really, really do. So this is cute. The length is cute. They said it's about 12 inches. It might be, but since this is a bob anyways, like, I don't too much care about the length of a bob because I can cut it shorter if I want to, but the length is nice. You guys know I say majority of the time, I'm not a fan of lace closures. I like them, you know, the lace front, because sometimes lace closure wig still looks like a wig no matter how natural you try to get it to look. So I'm just really not a huge fan of a lace closure wig, but I mean, I will wear one if I have one and it's cute. So I did put some powder in the part. My hair underneath my cap is not flat. It's not braided or anything. So I'm not too sure how exactly this wig will lay if my hair was braided like it normally is. But the wig is cute. It is human hair, so I mean, it's really, really cute. I haven't noticed any shedding, none of that. The only issue that I mentioned is like this strand hair right here that I'm having a little issue with trying to straighten it. It's just right here, honestly. This little part, I can feel it. It's acting up for some reason. But overall, like, this wig is cute. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. Y'all know sometimes I don't even like a middle part, but this is actually not too bad. So I do want to thank SNOWHAIR for reaching out to me and asking me to review their product. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this wig. Would you rock this wig? Do y'all like bobs? If so, do you like them this length or do you like them a little shorter? Because this is really cute. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you guys will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.